Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy, and today I wanted to do a special video. I've been doing keto for 3 months now, and I'm so close to 30 pounds, which excites me. And something about this diet is that it's just one of the easiest, most effective things that I've ever done without having to work out. Like, that is very important to me because I'm lazy. It's not that I'm lazy. It's just I've done all sorts of things. Ultimately, I give up. Everything that I've done, I've given up. Every time I would just look at myself, I just see my face. And the main thing is, like, my face always looks so big. I found one of my old videos that I try posting all the time, but it never happens because the world scares me. I'm not gonna lie. Internet is scary, but you know, this is me and this is what I'm about. The only reason I stopped was because so many things factor into meal prepping that I was just like, geez, hello. Like, I can't do that anymore. I don't want to do that because I'm going to school, I'm going to work. The last thing I want to do is have to come home and meal prep and do all these things. It wasn't for me. Then me and my sister tried juicing. We did that for a little bit, but after like a week, we'd give up. Honestly, because one time the juicer that we had just exploded. So that was horrible. What I like about keto is the fact that keto just gives me the energy. It also got me into drinking coffee, which I was never a coffee drinker, but I just want to take care of myself and be happy with myself and, you know, not feel like, oh my God, I need to lose all this weight, or oh my God, I feel bad, or I look horrible. Just whatever. I'm done feeling that way. I just want to feel happy and feel good. That's it. And at this point, I'm feeling amazing. The first month, what was hard for me was all the cravings. I was having all the cravings, mainly with sugar. I'm a huge sugar, like, I get all the sugar cravings. Oh my goodness. After my first month, I tried to be really good as far as like no alcohol or anything, or if I did, I tried to keep it like clear liquids, but I still didn't know. My first month, I did lose 20 pounds though, so that was pretty awesome. My second month, I was having a hard time with alcohol. And that's because every single time me and my boyfriend went out with his friends or the club, we always hang out at a bar or something. We'll go out to eat, we'll get some drinks, whatever the case may be. Well, there's either too much sugar in the girly drinks, and beer, well, you just get a beer belly. And then what does that leave you with? Shots. I didn't know what else to drink that didn't contain sugar, so I was just ordering shots. But sometimes I'm like, okay, I don't want to order shots and look like a damn alcoholic. Like, I didn't know what to do, so sometimes I would say no thank you, or I would say I'm in keto. So things like that just were difficult for me. Things that I've learned as far as keto is you need to have a lot of water. You need to eat. Some staples in our house are jalapenos, cream cheese, mozzarella, sweet strawberry whipped cream. My sister makes these bomb keto brownie, or these bomb keto muffins, excuse me. I meant to say blueberry muffins, but I said brownies. I just have a sweet tooth. That's it. That's all it is. A lot of people are like, carbs aren't the issue. I think they are, and they're scary. Every time I have bread or anything, any sugar, anything, my stomach starts hurting like crazy. Oh my goodness. All I want to do is go to the restroom, or I know it's TMI, I'm sorry, but it's true. My insides hurt, and sometimes I can't even get up because of how bad whatever it is I ate hurts me. That's insane to me. I feel healthy. I have never felt as healthy as I feel right now. Another reason why I really love keto is because it's so inexpensive. I can go to Carl's Jr. or McDonald's or Wendy's, In-N-Out. I can go have a burger, just no bread. I can go anywhere. All I have to do is just say no buns. That's it. No dressing. That's it. Because I don't know what dressing they may have. Dressing on the side. My favorite food in the world has always been a hamburger. And I always was like, man, if I could just eat burgers all day, every day, I'd be the happiest person in the world. I don't have to eat just a tiny plate of food. I don't have to starve myself. I don't just have to drink juices. When I first started, I also recorded my first 30 days. Like I said, I'm just scared of the world, but I'm probably gonna post that, and I'm also gonna post my updates. So if you're interested in those, just stick around because they should be popping up anytime soon. But I digress. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was somewhat informative. I mean, if it wasn't, sorry. I tried. My thoughts are everywhere. I just wanted to talk and just say, like, word vomit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions, anything down below. Let me know what you think of keto.